Hey, Johnny. Hey, man, wake up, man. Your door was open. If you don't want people to come in, you need to close it. Hey, man, but forget about that. Hey. Hi, man. Anyway, I am so excited, man. I'm so excited. I couldn't sleep a wink last night. Kept thinking about what happened, man. Oh, that moment. That wonderful, glorious moment, man. Hi, man. Are you dumb today or what? How can you have forgotten already? I'm talking about that wonderful thing. To think, me of all people, I was just walking down the street. I didn't know anything. Oh, Baba, but when I turned that corner, my whole life changed. Hi, man, do I need to show you? Have you forgotten this? A true South African Rugby World Cup rugby ball from last year's World Cup, man. Hey! Oh, voetsek, man. It's not. I just knew you were gonna say those words, man. Yeah, man, because you always say them when I'm having fun. Voetsek, man. I know I don't always have the words to say back to you, but this time, hey, what I am gonna tell you now is that that moment, that picture going through my mind. Hey, Baba, I will never forget it. Never for as long as I live. Hey!